All right, in today's video, we got a new boat, a little skiff. We're gonna show it to you guys right now. Sick little boat. I think we got a great deal on it. I think we're gonna use it for the summer and then maybe try and sell it at the end of the summer for some profit. But, what are you thinking of the new boat?
Dad?
Yeah, you like it? Dad? Why don't you go show us the boat?
I don't know.
So here it is, Carolina Skiff 16 DLX bow rider. So like a bully netting type boat. I've always wanted one of these just to try bully netting, gigging, stuff like that. And I just think they're a lot of fun. So we picked this thing up last night in Miami on the way home. Definitely had a little bit of a debacle. Had a tire completely explode on us while going down to 95. Luckily pulled off to the side safely. And I did bring 2 spare tires and a floor jack, but because of the car project, I forgot I had none of my tools in my truck. So I was stuck on the side of the road with a floor jack and spare tires, but no tools to pull the tire off. Luckily, a good Samaritan, his name was Ivan, pulled over, had an impact, had everything we need, and didn't want anything in return. He just said, pay it forward. So I'd like to throw this in there because that was really cool of him. Help people out, you see someone stranded. So shout out to Ivan, hooked me up. Back to the boat. This thing runs great, fires right up. My only concern with the boat as a whole really is the fuel tank. They did an aluminum below deck one right here. We're not really below deck, but they foamed it in, and there's definitely water in here. The fuel tank's definitely surrounded by water. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I'm thinking try and vacuum out the water, maybe drill a drain down here and get this to last as quickly as possible. I do know if I do have to replace it, I don't think it'd be that hard. I'd basically just zip a cut right around here, pull this off, pull it out, clean the foam, maybe drop a new tank in, maybe try and save this one, and then just tap it back in, roll gel coat, and be done. Luckily with these skiffs, you don't have to do, with how this thing's built, it's simple. So the glassing, there's not a lot of fairing. Glass it, gel coat it, and be done. Transom solid. Everything else is super solid. This is like a Vidia core type material. We got a wood front platform. And everything we've done so far today before we take it out on the maiden voyage is we just changed the fuel water separator. And we are changing the gear oil. So we got that drained out. The gear oil looked good, no water in it. So we're about to throw some fresh gear oil in here and go take this thing for a ride. We also got a little transducer here. We got a Garmin up there, speakers work, cable steering, a lot of new wiring in it. It just needs to be kind of zip tied and cleaned up. Lots of lights on this boat. We got 3 blue lights right there. You got a little deck light. You got good nav lights, and we got a nice little light bar on the front here too. Wiring's decent for, a non-professional. And yeah, pretty happy with it. Can't wait to take this thing out, take it for its first ride, see how she runs. Wish me luck, hopefully everything's good. He says this Tohatsu 50 has like estimated 200 hours on it. No way to check it, just an estimate, but hopefully he wasn't lying to us. But anyways, we're gonna throw some gear oil, gear lube in this thing and hook it up to the truck, go for a ride. Just left the ramp, it's fired right up. So far so good. Dude, beautiful day. Absolutely love the view from a bow rider. All right, I hope the wind's not too bad, but we've cruised about 3 miles and she's running great. It's such a cool, unique feeling riding up here on the bow and driving. Beautiful day. Can't wait to take this thing fishing here soon. GPS is working. We're gonna see, I didn't bring my GoPro or nothing, so like controlling the throttles and the wheel and filming. Can't really do it right now. So I'll let you guys know the top speed though. I think I'm gonna open it up here. Took a little cruise over here through the sandbar. Just went through like 1.5 foot of water, trimmed the motor up, cruised right over. Honestly, maybe even 1 foot deep. It is a beautiful day out here. Man, I'm fired up. Knock on wood, good running boat, cruising along. Feels good. Enjoying this beautiful weather. Quick little pit stop. So simple, easy. Fun little boat. All right, pulling her out of the water. So those two hatches back there are just storage. Speakers, console, storage underneath the front deck. Let's see it. Nice. Just had a successful maiden voyage, all right? Cruised all around, went fast, went slow. Went in some really shallow water just to get a feel for the draft, and didn't have a single issue. So it's a real good feeling. Anytime you get a deal on a boat on Marketplace and you take it out for the first time, chances of you not having any issues, I say, are slim to none. And we just went on that slim to none side. So super happy, and I'm gonna go back, clean the boat up, and that'll do it. Thanks for watching.